Problems faced by students in offline tuition and coaching. 1. Limited availability of quality teachers for offline home tuition. A limited number of teachers available in a given locality, area, or city can't be accessible to all the students for offline home tuition at students' place. Lack of teacher training to educationally qualified potential teachers and lack of experienced teachers in a given locality, area further compounds the problem. 2. Limited availability of different teachers for each subject under one roof and for all classes. 3. Limited availability of quality tuition centers for offline tuition. 4. Uncertainty about credibility of available offline teachers or tuition centers. 5. High demand but poor supply of quality teachers makes offline home tuition more expensive. 6. Travel time consumed and travel cost incurred during commuting by student or teacher for offline learning or tutoring further increases tuition charges for the student and makes it less economical for the teacher. 7. Wastage of significant amount of time in tiring traffic in metro cities is a problem both for the tutor as well as for the student. 8. Air pollution in cities discourages parents, students and teachers for commuting. 9. Safety and security of student, especially the safety of girl child, is an issue of most concern for the parent during offline tuition process at home or at offline tuition center. 10. Lack of individual attention in offline tuition center classes. 11. Ease and convenience in offline home tuition is lesser than online tuition. Book free trial class now at teachingcare.com or call 981-100-0616.